Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to reset the following device through the settings. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, find and pick the settings. Now go down to the very bottom of the list and select Backup and Reset. Here the very last option is Factory Data Reset, so if you'd like to wipe all information from your Hammer Blade, click on Factory Data Reset. And now you have to come along with the notification, because this operation will erase all the data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data. So if you are aware of it, click on Reset Phone. Now you have to confirm it with your pattern if you have one. In my case it's this one, and click on Erase Everything. Now just be patient and wait until it's done. Then you will be able to set up your device as a new one. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, you can set your device as a new one from the scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.